Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the treasure chest locations on Dress to Impress latest treasure hunt update. So if you go to the right here, you will be able to find, wait, where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so it's like next to this kind of sea urchin. So you're going to just dig, and then once it's opened, you're going to select claim, press E. Then you're going to walk straight ahead here to the other island to the right where the umbrella is, and then next to this rock you're just going to dig again, and then you'll be able to find this and then claim. You'll unlock the hair, and then on this island you'll be able to find it here, and then you're going to dig, and then you'll get like stars. For the fourth one, it's on this island. Again, you're going to dig, and I think you get boots. Yeah, you got the boots. Last but not least, on this island, go to the right, and you're going to start digging here. And here is the last one. And that is pretty much it. If you want the gem tutorials on the next video, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.